Before you try and convince me that white jeans are not for you, let me tell you that I've been there and done that. Wearing white pants can be tricky, but all you need is to know how to style it. And that makes all the difference. Then when you do it with confidence. We all do not have to be size 0 or petite to pull off white pants, unlike what we've been told. But before we go in depth into our topic, we need your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and please click the bell icon to receive new video updates. First of all, choose a thicker material. When it comes to white pants, go with a thicker material like cotton or denim. Thin material like linen tends to show every little bump and crinkle. Transparency can also be an issue. Avoid pant pocket linings from showing through by opting for white pants made of thicker fabrics. Second of all, choose CAPRIS with minimal detail for an elegant look. White CAPRIS are a great summer look, but avoid the ones with large cuffs, big side pockets, drawstrings, and elastic waistbands. These can unfortunately make you look frumpy or create the illusion of extra weight. Avoid heavy cargo styles for the same reason. Try a slim-fit denim pair with minimal detail and hardware for a sleek look instead. Third of all, create curves with a tuxedo or trouser style. If you're on the slim side, a loose-fitting pair of trouser cut pants can create the illusion of curves without swallowing up your small frame. Look for a simple design with 2 pleats in front and a flowy fabric. Add a bright-colored blazer to complete the look. Fourth of all, go with wide-legged pair for a breezy look. Skinny pants aren't for everyone, and a pair of wide-leg white pants can look fabulous. Choose a flowy material to create a summery, casual vibe perfect for a beach party. Wear a white button-down in a similar fabric to complete this look. Fifth, avoid busy patterns for a slimmer look. Patterns can make white pants appear even less slimming, so try to avoid them. Look for plain white pants with a flat front and no additional detail around your problem areas. Avoid drawstring waists, pleats, large belt loops, and big pockets. Opt for sleek and minimal. Finally, remember this shopping tip every time you're buying a new pair of pants, white or otherwise. If you can't tell in 20 seconds whether or not the pants look good on you, they don't. When the pants are perfect, you'll know immediately.